Have you ever wondered what makes a steak exceptionally juicy and flavorful? Today, we're exploring the science behind marbling in meat. Marbling is the white flecks of intramuscular fat found within lean muscle. It contributes to a marble pattern, enhancing meat's juiciness and tenderness. Intramuscular fat is the last type of fat deposited in an animal during its finishing stages. This process occurs within the ribeye muscle, specifically between muscle fiber bundles. Marbling is determined by extracting lipids from a thin section of the exposed ribeye muscle. This scientific method helps assess meat quality and flavor profile. Introducing marbling into lean cuts enhances eating experience by improving juiciness, tenderness, texture, and overall flavor. It's a key indicator of quality in beef. Marbling is assessed on the eye muscle, M. longissimus dorsi, or between ribs, usually at the site between the 10th and 13th ribs for accurate grading. Understanding marbling is crucial for chefs and consumers. It's not just fat, it's the secret behind a superior eating experience with every bite of steak. So there you have it, marbling is more than meets the eye. What aspect surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.